the topic predicting student performance using data science, structured using with in a design thinking approach. In today's academic environment, colleges face a major challenge not identifying toppers but supporting students who are accidentally at risk. Before it is too late, traditional methods rely on end semester results which often come after the damage is already done. So this is where data science plays a crucial role. So data science allows institutions to analyze students related data such as attendance, internal assessments, assessment submissions and learning management system activity. So using the data we can identify patterns and predict which students may need academic support at the early stage. So however, technology alone is not enough. If data science is applied without understanding the student's real problem, it may lead to stress, labeling or bias. So to avoid this, we integrate design thinking, which is a human-centered problem-solving approach. So design thinking helps us to focus in 5 stages, which is empathize, define, ideate, prototype and test. So instead of asking how do we improve marks, we ask how do we support students effectively. So here in this role play, my students will take the roles of different stakeholders. So each role represents one stage of design thinking. This is mainly focuses on data sources, privacy, ethical use and academic improvement.
Hello everyone, I am Ritika from 3rd year CACC section. I am going to explain about the empathize part of this unit today. So I am going to speak about the understanding student problems. Hello everyone, I am Ovia from CAC department. I am going to explain about defining core problems.
Hello everyone, I am Pavisha. I am from CAC department. I am going to explain about ideate phase, generating data science solutions.
Hello everyone, I am Aarti. I am going to explain the prototype and testing phase, building and evaluating the solution.
Good morning everyone. I will start with the empathize stage of this design thinking project. In this stage, our goal is to understand students' real problems, not just their marks. Many students struggle due to the stress, poor time management, lack of guidance or personal issues. By interacting with students, faculty and counselors, we identify common challenges such as irregular attendance, difficulty in specific subjects or lack of motivation. From a data perspective, we observe patterns in attendance records, assignment submissions, internal marks and LMS activity. Empathy helps us remember that students are humans and not just data points. The aim is to support them academically and emotionally. So this stage ensures the solution is student-centered and not only performance-centered.
I will explain the define stage. Based on the empathy findings, we clearly define the problem. The problem is not students or weak, but rather the instructions lacks an clearly working system to identify students who need help. We define measurable indications such as low attendance, declining internal marks, delayed submissions, and low LMS engagement. Using data science, we convert this problem into a predictable task, identifying students who are at academic risks early in the semester. This stage is important because a well-defined problem leads to an effective solutions. In short, we define the problem as early identification for timely academic intervention.
I will now discuss the ideate stage. In this phase, we brainstorm possible solutions using data science. We propose using machine learning models such as logistic regression, decision trees or random forest. We think about different data sources like attendance systems, LMS platforms, internal assessments and feedback forms. We also consider ethical ideas such as avoiding bias and ensuring prediction are used only for support. Different intervention ideas are generated: mentoring, remedial classes, peer learning and counseling. Thus, ideation helps us combine technology and academic support creatively.
I will explain the prototype stage. In the prototype stage, we build a simple predictive model using historical data. The output is a dashboard showing a risk level such as low, medium or high. In the testing stage, we evaluate the model using accuracy, recall and feedback from faculty. We test whether early interventions actually improve attendance and performance. We also collect feedback from students to check if they feel supported or pressured. Based on the result, the system is refined continuously. This ensures the solution is practical, effective and student friendly.
So here I will conclude by reflecting all over the approaches. So design thinking ensures that technology is used with empathy and responsibility. Here effectiveness is measured not just by model accuracy but by academic improvement and student well-being. So here we evaluate success using metrics such as improved pass status, reduced dropouts and student satisfaction. So here privacy and transparency are critical. So students must be informed about the data usages previously. So by concluding this, integrating these design thinking with data science, it creates a holistic, ethical and impactful academic support system. Thank you.